eating the
I want
kimchi.
to eat.
Hello everyone! You're so excited na dyan. So ngayon gagawin namin yung eating spicy noodles challenge. Correct, right?
Samyang spicy noodle.
So
Spicy.
spicy, yeah. So this one, honey, this is dry one noodles, right? Samyang challenge. So it looks very spicy. Are you excited?
No.
Why? Why?
Because it's spicy.
So spicy, yeah.
Mama?
What?
So this one is for you. For you.
Huh? Well, how come a lot?
Half ma. This one is half.
Hanyu
Half.
I haven't started. This is a lot.
Mama! Hey!
Nào, biết đâu.
Okay.
Đi qua.
Yes. When who finish the spicy noodles then win.
Okay.
And then when they haven't finished the spicy noodles then lose be the bad.
Huh? How come? So, meron kami hinandito yung samyang. So, meron kaming kimchi and then malamig na tubig. Wala kaming cold, what is this? Cold milk. So, malamig na tubig na lang. Excited na siyang kumain. So, let's start. Yeah, one.
No need to be first, right? Just finish. Okay, right?
I think so.
1, 2,
Yeah.
3,
Before I get
go.
this whole year.
Okay.
Come on, go. Papa, Mama,
Not
Papa,
really spicy, but spicy. Yeah.
Mama, Mama,
This is
Mama.
not same to the last time. The two times one you really cannot eat. Last time I like to eat spicy. The two times one, the one when I first start, like one
Come on.
eat like just one spoon, 2 spoon. I really cannot continue. The red color one. This one still okay.
Come on, keep
This
eating.
one already
Go.
spicy.
Come on, keep eating.
Para siyang bumabara sa akin lalambunan, guys.
For me not really.
Go.
Ha?
Go.
Spicy eh.
For me not really. Since you don't really can eat a lot spicy.
But the taste is very nice. Wow.
I told you this one only just like the normal one. if you buy the 2 times spicy, I don't think you can eat it.
Wahan. I like the taste, huh?
I thought you all eat before.
I forgot already long time, ah. I don't eat much, remember? Kumain na kami dati. The one is 1 na, 2.
You got only 1 time spicy.
The last time you bought is 2 times, ah.
I cannot remember. This is only 1 time spicy. Already like this. If you buy the red one, is 2 times spicy.
Bumili na siya dati, guys. Kasi gusto namin i-try. And then, I only eat very little, right? Siya talaga yung nag-upos kasi sobrang angahan niya. Nakakaluto siya ng gula. But anyway, at least I can because I'm still eating. You see, I'm still eating the.
The 2 times spicy one, you really cannot continue. Last time I eat 2 scoops, I already stopped.
Nakakasipon siya. Kaya, ano ka doon? It's very spicy, ah. What?
In Korean, everybody eats so spicy like that.
In Korea. In Korea, you cannot feel because of the weather. It's really good to eat spicy if the weather is very cold. Like, oh. Ang niya. I think it's better you need to chew. You don't have to chew, it's like you just swallow.
Wow, yeah.
Excuse me. Ang anghang.
I get some ice first. You want ice? Wow, too spicy.
Kahit na babaran mo siya ng malamig na tubig sa inyong mga sobrang anghang. I feel like my tongue swollen. Ang anghang talaga, grabe. Hands off over. I think yung kumakain ka pa lang, guys, okay sa palang hindi nyo mararamdaman yung anghang. Kalagitnaan, and then sa huli, dun nyo talaga maano yung sobrang anghang niya, guys. And, 1 pa lang to ha, what more on 2 times or 5 times yung anghang niya, sobra siguro.
No 5 times, only 2 times. 5 times no one can eat.
Ay, oh my God. May hilig ako sa chili. I love spicy. You also like spicy, right? Sobrang anghang niya, guys. Parang yung kanina habang yung patapos ako kumain ng noodles, parang I feel like the hot, parang umaangat siya. Parang it's from here. Yeah, it's like going up to my head, to my brain. I feel like that, honey. Kaya medyo tumigil ako kanina kasi nararamdaman ko siya parang umangat yung init ba sa katawan ko papunta sa ulo ko. So,
Now suddenly so alert.
talaga nakakasipon siya, guys. Promise. How? And
Next time we do the 2 times challenge.
I don't want. This one I already want. So, guys, hope you like this video, and so please give us a thumbs up
And Theo, what do you say? And thumbs up and
Subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe.
what is in your mouth.
Aishan. Don't forget to
Subscribe. And like the video.
follow.
So, hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa aming video at pakilike na rin. And don't forget to subscribe. And what else?
And don't forget to share and like.
Good. Don't forget to share and like. And hope to see you again sa susunod naming video. Bye-bye. Say bye first. Come here. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Good night. Say good night.
Good night.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if